Okay, time to take a look at the Agreago 1080p video projector. And here and reuse it. That's interesting. So we do have a screen that goes with it. So it's very nice they included that. It's a clean screen. It has black borders on it, so that really helps to make everything stand out. And plus it just makes it so you can't get it lined up exactly perfectly. It'll still look good. It also has metal grommets, so we don't have to worry about tearing it. So that's good. And we got hooks with adhesive material, so we can stick this directly onto a wall. We got our power cable. We got a remote. Looks like he uses 2 AAA batteries. So we got power, menu, home, directions okay, playback, volume up and down, and mute. Got an HDMI cord. Got an RCA cord. We also got a leveling foot. So the leveling foot will go right here in the front. So that way if you got it sitting on a table but it needs to point up, we can use this to adjust that. And we also got a 1/4-20 mount here, so if we want to, you can put that right onto a light stand. So this is a very nice looking projector. It's cool. It's actually a silicone cap. So we got our zoom and we got our keystone. So that way if the image isn't completely square, it's kind of like off on the side, so we can use that to bring it back center. We've got the same buttons as we got on the remote, so we don't actually have to use the remote, so that's nice. We got power, menu, enter, back, and then we got our selector and okay. And it looks like this is the infrared for the remote. And we got a very nice looking lens on there too. Then we got cleaning kit and our instructions. Okay, so I got it set up on this little stand and I've got my phone plugged into it through the USB-C port to the HDMI port. And that is what we were getting. And it is actually pretty darn bright and pretty darn sharp. Let me see if I can get this focus in a little bit. So right about there I think looks good. Yeah, the colors on there are actually pretty darn excellent. So let's go to HDMI 1. Okay. There we go. So we're using my phone as an output, and we are watching one of my videos. There is actually a little speaker on this thing too. Now I can still hear the fan, but it is enough that if we just want to get an idea of what's going on, we can do that. It's probably a better idea to set up a stereo system, but you can get by with this if you need to. It actually puts out quite a bit of light. I'm actually impressed by that. So that is a very nice projector.